Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthy lifestyle, especially if you're managing diabetes. Today's video is crucial if you're diabetic or pre-diabetic because I'm going to share 3 powerful vegetables you need to know about urgently to help you control your blood sugar naturally. Let's jump right in. First on our list is bitter gourd, also known as Karela. Now, it might not be the tastiest vegetable, but it's incredibly powerful when it comes to managing diabetes. Bitter gourd reduces blood sugar levels naturally. Bitter gourd contains compounds like charantin and polypeptide P, both of which have blood sugar-lowering properties. Drinking bitter gourd juice or including it in your meals can help improve insulin sensitivity. Even though it's a bit bitter, the benefits are worth it. Next up, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale. These veggies are loaded with fiber and low in carbs, making them perfect for managing blood sugar levels. Leafy greens, high in fiber, low in carbs. The magnesium and antioxidants in these greens help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be added to smoothies, salads, or cooked dishes. Leafy greens are a must for your diabetes-friendly diet. They're delicious, filling, and blood sugar-friendly. Last but not least, we have okra, also known as lady's finger. This veggie is a hidden gem for managing diabetes. Okra contains soluble fiber to stabilize blood sugar. Okra is packed with soluble fiber, which slows down sugar absorption in your bloodstream. It also contains antioxidants that help fight inflammation, making it a great addition to any diabetic-friendly meal. Okra is simple to cook and can easily be added to stir-fries, soups, or even eaten raw in salads. So, there you have it. 3 essential vegetables you need to include in your diet if you're diabetic. From bitter gourd to leafy greens and okra, these veggies can make a huge difference in your blood sugar management. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you've tried any of these vegetables before. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.